Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2010 Chevy Silverado 1500. Stock number is A7906. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Alloy wheels, those are wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Center console folds up and becomes an additional third seat in the front row, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch on the back. Taking a look at the bed. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input, dual climate control, and your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.